In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two Amazon gift cards. The simplest way to combine gift cards on Amazon is to add both of them to your Amazon gift card balance so the amounts work together at checkout. You're not merging the physical cards into one. You're loading both values onto the same account balance. Start by going to Amazon in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you shop on more than one account or region, double check you're on the right one before redeeming because once a card is applied, the funds are tied to that account and can't be transferred. Next, head to Account and Lists at the top of the page and choose Gift Cards. This takes you to the area where you can view your current balance and manage everything related to gift cards. On this page, select Redeem a Gift Card. This option is specifically for applying a claim code to your balance, which is exactly what we want. Locate the claim code for your first card. On a physical card, it's under the scratch-off area on the back. For an e-gift card, it's in the email you received. Enter the code carefully, paying attention to lookalike characters like 0 and the letter O, and don't worry if the email shows hyphens. Amazon ignores those. When the code is in, click Apply to your balance. You should see a confirmation message showing the amount added, and your gift card balance will update immediately. To combine the second card, simply repeat that same process. Click Redeem a Gift Card again, enter the second claim code, and click Apply to your balance. There's no waiting period. You can do this right away. After the second redemption, your balance will reflect the sum of both amounts. Now, verify everything by checking your Amazon balance on the gift cards page. You'll see the new total, which includes both redemptions added together. That combined balance will be used automatically on eligible purchases during checkout unless you choose to turn it off for a particular order. A few quick tips to wrap up. If a code isn't accepted, double check for mistyped characters or extra spaces. Make sure you're on the correct country site for your card. Remember, once redeemed, funds stay on that account and generally can't be moved or used to purchase other gift cards. And if you ever want to see what was added, look for the transaction history on the same gift cards page. That's it. Both Amazon gift cards are now combined in your balance and ready to use.